Ollama versus Docker, what's the difference? Choosing the right container platform can transform your development workflow without complexity. Ollama offers AI model management, while Docker focuses on containerizing applications for versatile deployment. Ollama and Docker both manage software environments but serve different purposes. Ollama is designed for running and managing AI models locally, whereas Docker provides a platform for building, shipping, and running any application in isolated containers. Ollama is a platform focused on local deployment and management of large language models. It enables developers to run AI models directly on their machines, providing fast, private, and offline access to AI-powered tools. By simplifying the setup process, Ollama removes the need for complex cloud configurations or API dependencies. Its strengths lie in easy model management, offline usage, and privacy, making it ideal for AI researchers, developers, and businesses prioritizing data control. However, Ollama's scope is specialized. It primarily supports AI models rather than general application containers. This means it's less suited for broader software deployment needs. The ideal user is someone working extensively with AI models who wants a streamlined local solution without relying on cloud infrastructure. For those focused on AI experimentation or deploying AI solutions in sensitive environments, Ollama offers a tailored and efficient approach. Docker is a widely used containerization platform that packages applications and their dependencies into portable containers. These containers run consistently across any environment, from development to production, ensuring reliability and scalability. Docker works by creating isolated environments that encapsulate everything an application needs, including code, runtime, system tools, and libraries. Its major strength is versatility, supporting countless use cases beyond AI, such as microservices, web apps, and databases. Docker's ecosystem includes tools for building, sharing, and orchestrating containers, making it a cornerstone in modern DevOps and cloud-native workflows. However, Docker requires some learning curve, especially for complex orchestration and networking. It also depends on the host operating system's kernel, which can limit certain use cases. The ideal user includes developers, IT professionals, and teams aiming for consistent, scalable application deployment across diverse environments. Docker is perfect for those needing a universal container platform that supports a wide range of software beyond AI models. Ollama and Docker cater to different needs, despite both involving container-like environments. Ollama specializes in AI model management, offering local, offline, and privacy-focused deployment ideal for AI developers and researchers. Its simplicity and focus on AI models make it less flexible for general software deployment. Docker, by contrast, excels as a universal container platform, supporting a broad spectrum of applications with strong ecosystem tools for development and production. For example, a data scientist prototyping AI models locally benefits from Ollama's streamlined approach, while a DevOps team deploying microservices across cloud and on-premises environments relies on Docker's robustness and scalability. The trade-off is between Ollama's AI-centric ease of use and Docker's comprehensive application support. Choosing depends on whether your priority is specialized AI model deployment or versatile containerized application management. Choose Ollama if your focus is on managing and running AI models locally with privacy and simplicity without needing full application containerization. Opt for Docker when you need a flexible, industry-standard container platform for deploying diverse applications at scale. Its extensive ecosystem supports complex workflows beyond AI. Selecting the right tool depends on your project scope, whether AI-specific or general software deployment.